Hey guys, right, welcome to the channel. Right, we've got new Hebel block, so there, and we're going to reline. Look at it, it's pretty terrible. These just really crumbled away. So we're going to reline this furnace, take all that out, and you can see there's the lid. I'm going to redo the lid as well. Take all that out and put all new stuff in, and then we're going to use refractory cement. So this is all about the furnace, and I don't think many people show you what you do with the furnace. So a lot of people buy the devil forge, you put cotton, you know, the KO wool in and then do that, but making this from scratch, and this should last like a long time. The refractory cement I'm using will handle 2000 degrees C. So we will knock all this out and start cutting new ones. Alright, so just sitting in there, so that's fairly easy to get rid of. Oh, look at that, that's not bad. So I'm going to make a dead copy of that, but we've got to try and knock all this out, or work out how we're going to do that anyway. The easiest way to cut is just you get a really cheap saw like that, and I've marked it down there and there. Put it on some timber. Cut, it's that easy to cut. And that is just how easy it is to cut. Alright, so that's the bottom there. So I've just got a pipe and I've cut those. I made this last time when I made it, and you just spin that in there and that slowly cuts it. It's a bit of a pain, but at least you get a good seal around there at the bottom. So I've just got some construction adhesive, that brown stuff. You see I did this before last time. This is so when it comes off it doesn't fall off. put it there. Alright, so this is what I did last time. Just grab an old shitty hole saw. There we go. Alright, so we're at the stage of putting the refractory cement on. So I've got this air set Castworks. It's already pre-mixed, but I've sprayed this already with water so it doesn't soak. Once you put this on, it soaks it up. So we've got a bit of spray bottle and we'll spray that on there. So set you up and then we'll get into that. So we'll do the lid first. We'll do the lid first because I haven't even used this stuff before, so it's going to be new for you and me. Right, so it comes like that. Looks like I've got to mix it with a stick. It's like mud. Alright, just let me mix this up. This is going to take a while to get stirred up. Alright, let me mix this up and then we'll start applying it. Right, yeah, so I've got that on now. I'll just give it a bit of a spray and then wipe it down again. Once it sort of sets off a bit, I'll smooth it out in the inside in there. But anyway, that is the lid done. So we are going to do this now, this one right here. So move this over. Spray that in there. Alright, got that pretty wet. Shouldn't soak it up now, I hope. Rightio, let's start applying it. Right. Just start putting some on the bottom. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to do it and I'll show you the end result. It's just going to be too hard to video. But anyway, so I'm just going to put some down in the bottom there. It's going to be pretty hard to do that. Going to get it away with my hands right here. We'll get back to you. Alright, so I've got him inside out of the sun. She started cracking a little bit on the top here, so I've done another little wet one. So that is the lid, and there is the furnace. I've made sure it's a little bit wet down the bottom, just so it'll smooth out a bit, and I'm hoping that the water will just evaporate. So there it is there. So it's actually starting to set hard there, but spider web there. So anyway, I tell you what, this should turn out quite good. So, oh, another little thing I want to show you. I'm really excited. These, you've seen these as my moulds. You saw these as my moulds here. There's one. There's the other one. I got these two made up. Look how good these are. Can't wait to use these. And there's the other one. So got two of these. Look how cool these are. Doesn't it just make you want to pour some liquid metal? How cool is that? I really love that one. So it's 75mm. I just used some 75mm RHS and just tapered them 8mm taper from there to 8mm in. And I think I made them 120mm from there to there. So, and just tapered it back. 20mm Rio, 10mm plate, 5mm thick. Can't wait to use these little, can't wait to use them. They're going to be awesome. So the idea is I can just pour it and just go clink clink and then pour another one, I'm hoping. So I can't wait to use those. And there's my offcuts from today. Down there. Anyway, there's my furnace. Hopefully it'll dry out. I'll shut the shed up and then hopefully it'll just sit there for a week. It'll sit there for a week, and then there's all my tools in that there. Tools, and I've got some aluminium stock down in there in that little drum. Alright guys, hope you like that. I actually feel like I've accomplished a fair bit there. I can't wait to use that, and hopefully what I'm going to do is the guy at the shop said a lot of people's mistakes is they'll put the refractory cement in on there and then they'll do a burn, like melt aluminium and that, and what it does, it dries it out too fast and then it cracks. So I'm just going to get my little this burner here, just going to get this little burner and just after about a week I'm probably just going to go around and just slowly heat it up with this, just a real slow one for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. We'll see, I don't know how long, 5 minutes. And then come back and do it again a couple of days. So I don't know, the idea is to keep it dried out really, really slowly. And then my first burn will be some aluminium. So we'll do some aluminium in these ingots, in these ingot molds. So I can't wait to use them. Sorry for saying that, but I really can't wait for that. That's going to be cool. Alright guys, subscribe if you like that. That's how I made my furnace. It'll be very interesting to see how long that lasts, because all my other videos I use just the Hebel block just in there, and there's no refractory cement. So that refractory cement for 4 litres cost me $95. So actually it's pretty cheaper than I thought. But anyway, there you go. And it was pre-made, pre-mixed, so I just had to put it on there. So alright guys, subscribe, like and all the rest of it. Cheers guys.